Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can sync your contacts on TikTok. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your profile on the bottom right corner and tap the three lines on the top right corner. Then you have to go to settings and privacy. Here you're gonna choose privacy, which is the second option. Then you just have to go to sync contacts and Facebook friends. Here you just need to toggle on the first option, which is sync contacts. And you have to open the settings to connect with the people you know on TikTok. You need to allow full access to your contacts in your device settings. So you just need to open the settings, go to contacts, and you can either give limited access to certain people or full access to all of your contacts. Then you have to go back to TikTok. Okay, now for me it just disappeared, so we're gonna do the same steps. Alright, it's toggled on already, and then I have to go to see my profile. Then you have to go to the people you're following, and then you're gonna be able to see this person icon, or you can either just click on this find Facebook friends. You can also just click on this person icon here, and you can just click on find contacts, and here you will be able to see all of your contacts, which you can basically follow them. Alright, so all in all, this is how to sync contacts on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.